Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Trends for keyword seasonality planning step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Google Trends website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the keyword or topic you want to analyze for seasonality. Click on the search icon or press enter. After the search results load, look for the interest over time graph. This graph shows how interest in your keyword has changed over time. To adjust the time frame, click on the drop-down menu above the graph. You can select different ranges, such as the past hour, past day, or past year. For seasonal trends, choose a longer time frame, like the past 5 years. Next, scroll down to the Interest by Regions section. Here, you can see where your keyword is most popular geographically. To refine your data further, use the filters above the graph. You can filter by categories, types of search, and specific dates. Now, look for the Related Queries section on the right side. This section provides additional keywords and topics related to your search. These related queries can help identify emerging trends. Consider using the Rising tab to find queries that are gaining traction. Next, click on the Compare button to analyze multiple keywords at once. Enter additional keywords in the search bar that appears. This helps you compare the seasonality of different terms side by side. As you analyze the data, take notes on peak interest periods. This information is crucial for planning marketing campaigns or content. Finally, export your data by clicking on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Download to save the data in a CSV format for further analysis. Now you're ready to use Google Trends for effective keyword seasonality planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.